Tanah Toraja, or often called Toraja Highlands, is a hilly area located at the northern end of South Sulawesi, Indonesia. Surrounded by towering mountains, the lands of Toraja is a paradise for lovers of nature, history, and culture.
Sekarang kita ada di Palawa. Ayo kita explore.
Traditional house typical of South Sulawesi, the oldest in Tanah Toraja.
Ini kita ada di Museum Nek Gandeng.
The Nek Gandeng Museum consists of several buildings with the Tongkonan architectural style. Nek Gandeng Museum is a museum located in Lembang Palangan, Galusu District, North Toraja Regency. This destination is surrounded by enchanting natural landscapes in the form of mountains, valley, and karst hills that look exotic from height. You can also see the beauty of the city of Makale from the campsite.
Duga!